In this video, we use a combination of two amazing and outstanding indicators that are among the best scalping strategies ever, featured on the channel. So join me with high attention and focus. Smash the like button so we can continue with the rest of the video. We are on the Bitcoin chart and have set the time frame to 5 minutes. You can also use this strategy in higher time frames. We open the Indicators tab and type Relative Strength in the search bar. Look friends, we need the relative strength of volume indicator by DigiT. This tool is prepared and created by DigiTRD. We need this tool, so we click on it. As you can see, it has been added below our chart and contains various sections and components, each providing us with different information. So stay with me until the end of the video to get more familiar with the different components of this amazing tool. Additionally, you can use this strategy in Forex symbols and cryptocurrencies, which brings impressive performances. We start from the bottom section, which has volume bars, similar to a regular volume indicator. However, this indicator provides us with more information. As you can see, sometimes these bars are gray, indicating a short-term stagnant market, which can be part of a pullback or range-bound condition, and you can clearly observe these in the chart and price action. And when the bars are green, or even red, it indicates that the market is moving in that direction. And we also have an orange line that moves over these bars, which is set by default on the volume indicator, and is based on volume data moving above and below the central line. You can change this to a moving average as well. So we enter the settings of this indicator and go to the Input tab. We scroll down further and here we have the histogram section. We click on this section and change it from the volume oscillator to the moving average. After that, we click on OK. When the bars are above the moving average, it shows that the interest of market participants in buying or selling is higher. The more these bars are above the moving average, it means we are witnessing stronger and spikier movements. When the bars fall below this moving average, we are witnessing weaker movements. Now let's look at the upper parts of this indicator. This indicator tries to apply the concept of RSI. Our purple line is our RSI line, and the white dashed line here is our level 50. And these green and red bands are our oversold and overbought zones. To change these zones, we need to enter the settings of this tool and go to the Style tab, scroll down, and here we change the overbought section, which is the number 65, to the number 70. Again, we scroll down, and here we have the number 35, which is our oversold level, and we change this number to 30. After making these changes, we click on OK. By changing these levels, we observe better results. We can use this tool on its own, but next, we will add a second indicator to our chart, which greatly aids in making better decisions. But before we add the second tool to our chart, I want to introduce an exchange to you, Onkhoi, that is among the best available for Iranians. If you register using the link I pinned in the comments of this video and use the referral code Persian Digital, you will receive a discount on fees. It has no issues with Iranian users, and you can even verify your identity with your national ID card. You can operate without needing a VPN. Instructions on how to register are pinned in the comments of this video to help you get more familiar with this amazing exchange. Alright, let's move on to the second indicator we want to add to our chart. We go to the Indicators tab and type amazing in the search bar. We need the amazing oscillator indicator, which is provided by Algo Alpha, so we click on it, just like that. As you can see, this cool tool has been added to the bottom of our chart, and we can easily make good use of this indicator combination. As you understand, this indicator is suitable by default and doesn't need any changes. At the top and bottom, we can see the overbought and oversold zones. We can have the overbought and oversold. When the bars are formed below the zero line and are red, we are in a short-term downward movement. And at the same time, when our bars are definitely established above the zero line and are green, we are in a short-term upward movement. So by easily combining these two indicators together effectively, you can make good trades and prevent losses. By using more signals that are formed by the second indicator, we can have additional and more effective signals and scalping trades. If you are interested in more strategies and would like to get familiar with more strategies, we have covered more channels that you can subscribe to and activate the bell to be notified of future strategies faster and don't miss our previous videos. Thank you for staying with us until now. Until the next videos, stay happy and successful.